16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Based on the knowledge and truth, how knowledge is generated, how the truth is found out, and some theories are there. And today is the day on which we are supposed to know those 6 theories. Okay. The first one is revelation theory. Okay. And these view hold that the final place of the truth of the assertion is their consonance with the revelation of authorities. Okay. Yeah. So all the statements are correlated each other. Okay. In terms of the propositions. How would you know the man explanation to say loina mari legani conclusion the true that is what according to coherence that is truth. So, but geometry does not usually assume that such congruence is to be found everywhere outside geometry, not even between different systems of the geometries. Geometry angle that is chungi bayai, but others angle that is chung as geometry has its own limitations. Limitation of geometry magna loin throughout the light apply to one had this like sidani geometry okay, geometry area that is chungi bayai, a top area that is lalatory. Lengal me could tram lengal. A hand bahai give me to the Napom Mahai, you say, Sum Batang Sakidana, quite last the Tolkadawa, my statement though. How would they low of our statement the Chapman get up the alteration of the Topia River? As truth is truth. Truth is the home we are with the Pochakamakam. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 have a poche. Low in a man, get over. Okay, without alternation, I say. So, area of the perception occur. Perception is final because sensation is a perception is whole perception say we have the issues of illusions, we have the issues of hallucinations, we have issues of the some mental issues. Mental issue like the proper perception so in area okay, but further observation be able to detect and explain them. When you are going on the way, you may find the image of the snakes. Okay, but what you see the snakes, the image of snakes may not be the real snakes. It might be similar to the image of the snakes. So when you cross on the road, you may find a pitch of rough. When you see the image of that rough, and then suddenly you may jump as what you see, you term as snakes. But if you examine again, then if you observe again, and then lastly you confirm that is the image of snakes, it look like a say example, why we have road accidents. Accidents in loin to palm brava. Palm the palm is to evil. Karigino. She never like to report it. A mark I don't walk on show when he come day or not Tragana Magi, mental judgments, director when he come day, left the target of the writer, and the Mamang the Togotka, Potatung, the pressure break, Mamang Tolkadava, or Mamang the Gariam later break Papatava, not a slow down Togutava. So this is what we call judgmental knowledge. Judgmental knowledge, sometimes a brain you should lose or ever. Karingba koi loss or ever. Karigumba tension of a labor or kainoma, Hainedabadi or kainoma. lambi the chaliba koigi lambi the sapa kansa nakan the theliba kaidoba koigi banner mayam sing adagi wall posters sing kari mayam sing mit choina magi lambi yam lai haba or suddenly phone torpuyai mit choina magi maram yam lai ba adu second kharada mit choiru targadi accidents prone oidoine chumi ko adu tari kaidok tare har kan perception se sometimes area or kane ko mang the gari thing hai bisu khangak oidoine okay and on other hand some messages are there don't drive don't mix with drink and drive hai ba koi perception se amu mang e ba kari dagi toxic elements koi season ro dagi adu iduna gari thoge hai ba taragadi ke duwa wakal se mukung pha da ba yati ba wakal choiraga lambi thobu yaro e maram di accidents ke duwa risk ko e haidra aduna ke duwi tare har kanda achungba ama puthoke hai ba taragadi akoi proper perception se am darkar ho perception ngamdraba tarang marang da mang ha do leirba mi du nadi adum mai perception do area oigani maram de sensation su area oirabani na perception sum area oirkane adu iduna mi se normal oi de se am line koina khangba ngamde masak ta yemba kana chumbra but lambi de tholo agadi normal oi de se am line khamdre ko ma wakhalam da lady have se ka do horom phong su salo mayai de dam thau leibni mi kharam di leibra khara mana tikatane pai thogi ba o khara mana umga tapna thoba aduna kaidoba wakhalgi asoiba mayam sing se koi lambi de thola ga du yam line khang he ba aduna yum da ngobi ro lambi de ngobi nu ne he hari si ko aduna lambi thok pa hai se it's really risky ko aduna koi wakhal da asoiba sing se pop tholok pizani maram de rule system mu de chali bani na system da follow to ge hai ba di proper perception yaw to system in bangam boy that somebody asked that do you believe him or her chumbra siam toina na ma bu thajabra na haine ko adai da what would be your response kana gumba father or be mother or brother or be sister or be mak thajabra thajadabra na hai adu nang thajai hai gadar thajaro hai gadar kamai khungu ta ke yes tell me that points thajada bagi maram di lai re ba maram di loi phange ba proofs and evidence maigi loin lai re ba thajari he manang hujik se adum thajana lai gidra the question is thajar bai se eka thajaya deva without reason how can we trust him or her nadra eka thajaya ponte ba thajana bagi proof kara puthok pata bari adugi base or kan thajara toini but nang adum thajadara dana lai ba ya bra ha the question is we are living in a changing world ahong ban nai ba samaj ne koi ni lai dori se ko ngasi nom da heng kok ki bi ay ngasi kamong da heng nok pasu ay chumbra how the changes of the seasons summer autumn winter rainy seasons we are living in a changing world nerana chumbra we cannot expect that tomorrow will be raining nerana exact hai bangam de tarak pasu ay tarak da pasu ay chumbra ne adi tardi kedoba kari haini permanent value lati hai we are living in not in the permanence because change is a law of nature ne lakto report the sense lakane you are increasing your age by coming of the new year natra change lati hai ba ngasi wakal do hayeng oi do bi hayeng wakal do hangsit oi do su hai we are living in a change is the law of nature ne masi nature ki property ne natra na adu ida somebody is there they never verify whether his or her belief or trust is justifiable or not mana thaja is a chummi bra lali bra adum thaja da som laiba thaja la som laiba ko madi ke do ba or the side da ngasai ki mi amadugi mit ki mi ngi wang mada madi katokaran yam tawri uhan da bai wane ko na di khang to ni ko na ti ke so er to ni ko wari bo haba adu tari verification is always darkar oi ko ngasi thaja targa so hayeng jo haduna sigi changing wall se sai koi na mi amma bo adom thaja dana lai ba hai ba se masi langani laloidra nang adum khal lai ga amuduna kari dawge na khang pote ba chumra ne ai se adu ituna di ke do ba marak verification taurisne karamana kari verification no phone da koi wari salary kamai tauri amtang unachi hari si kari hai no verification ne ba chummi bur la ro kan mistake lai ma se thaja ba ya bo oi ri bra oi da bra ko snang yam bong me ga hari si chumra sum da bra si bo aduna thaja ba hai ba se proofs evidence ngasi no mu di thaja ba ya ko na proof adu proof tu na but matam khara le ga na amuk adu same proof tu lei bra am chip to un sang hek tam maram cha da koi na hek ta thaja ba ya de yam thaja and da bagi wa na te ko adu na thaja bo to no mo kai pa kan da ko cha ising chang oi ha ba sumra ne he se adu ni so perception sing se ai na khali wakal se ma si chum mi bra la li bra have si barabar koi verify to wo mo chang according to the presentative theories. So realists specifically realists favor these views. Realists have the achum the thajaba. Chumme have a pot of thajaba kamusing realism ni. Mokoi wakalo never. Aduna achumma have a pot say permanent chumoi oiti. Ngasi chumamni petroleum ki padak se 98 ni have a 100 or be fixed like have. There is no fixed values in these modern worlds. Matrana fixed have a kanamta like chumbra. Taubudabu fixed like tragasu. We have two directions. One is a negative directions. One is a progressive, and one is a deprogressive. Ko hamaze fagalibra fagatabra. Ko ngasi second tabjata sumase hayeng soider MCS fauk dong mali. Haragadi senabi bi aidra. Ai hai se. Chumari ko adu du na tungi perspective progress lai ri ba mi du di ai koi thajani ngai oi ko ma change lai raga su change ka tana loi thaja ga da bani hai ba ki one na te ai ai se change hai se progressive oi tar di apha ba te hengal gi ma koi thajani ngai oi adu ga apha ba du hek hadar ko matam da di ko madu thaja bu du kai rak lo gi ma cha amane ha ba chumra chumi ko. This series regards such traits as the colors, shapes, color of the objects which appear to our senses as true objective characteristics of the object except for the occurrence of the detectable areas. Adugi skill di ahal man sing su piram me have koida. Chumra. So aduna sense that I am based over adugu magi properties characteristics mayam jindadi kan da mainataba adugumba theory makhala mani ko. Now next is pragmatic theories. We are discussing many theories in order to find out the truth. Achumba haiba poche puthongnam bagi da makta theory mayam nainari ni ko achumba ise kaino ise achumba puthopang am da gambu sing sini ko tarang marang am da ngaur ga lari se chumra achumba puthokpa ise am darkar oi. We need the skills, we need the methodology, we need the method through which we will be able to find the truth. Achumba puthopang am da gambu sing ne ba problem thingnari sing chumbra lamra aduina punsi se problem dei thingnaro hai ba targadi chummi natraga lali hai ba se puthopang am da gambu na ya ma hele ba puthopang am gambu sing di ka hena ma koi life the problem thokti. So the next theory is pragmatic theories. According to these theories that statements are true if they work successfully in practice. तो वखन खतन यारोय कइदौबा मदुगी वखन तो चनब याबा वखन थबक तो ओंथोक याबा अतुगुम्बा वखन ओइबा तारगदी that could be termed as a true according to the pragmatic theories. Ko वखन दे वखन ओइबा अइजे मिकुप अमदा को अमेरिका त मुसतपा चीना त मुसतपा जापान त मुसतपा यूरोप त मुसतपा गाइसे मिकुप अमदा कमाई योगदिनो adubu hujikti ngamba eba kaidoba Google Art ki matung ina hari mafam sing lo yeng biya ꯑꯣꯏꯊꯣꯛꯇꯕꯗꯤ ꯅꯠꯇꯦꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯊꯣꯛꯍꯜꯂꯛꯇꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯀꯩꯗꯧ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯊꯕꯛꯇꯣ ꯑꯣꯟꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯗꯕ ꯊꯕꯛꯇꯣ ꯑꯣꯟꯊꯣꯛꯏꯅꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤꯗꯣ if the thought is be able to convert into the actions that could be termed as true 하이네요 wakhan thabak to onthokpa yaba adu wakhalon singdudi achumbani haiyeba according to the pragmatic theories adu thabak to onthokpa yada wakhan su yam leibani da ai ni sema kumba ai prime minister oiba ai ni governor oiba ai cm oiba gai se wakhan onthok ya phonti da madu kari kawi what we call it daydreaming adu ko aduneba doctor report se na chana bi wakhan hai tarin aduneba darkar ori se so if an idea and principle is effective in organizing the knowledge for idea or niyoma effective or organizing the knowledge or in the practical affairs of life, then it is true. Knowledge or natragana daily life practical life says given by the pragmatisms. Life is practical, life is no theory. According to the pragmatism, practice is very, very important. Why we need practice? The sports person who practice 1 month, the sports person who practice 6 months, who is reliable to get the gold medal? See, practice. Practice is the foundation of. Practice is the foundation of. Practice is the foundation of knowledge. Knowledge tan ge haibe targadi practice yaw de song phangoi asoi ba mayam thener kan nang singak tuina akoi isa mayam ning sing tuina tro so practice so what we call it practice teaching chumbra aha matak badadi kiram gani da ko nadi haira kan dadi agala kan dadi kedore le improve lak tuine so that is nothing but acquiring the knowledge. What kind of knowledge? Practical knowledge. The practical knowledge automatic darkar hoyega koi practical life ta hinge haiba targati. The belief of the pragmatists that the function of knowledge is to guide thought and action successfully is at the root of the important developments in American education known as progressive movement. Hagat batuneba pragmatic my belief system wakal ondi kai karaida kamaina the fun is wakhan the thabaka anisi manahan badune wakhan sum khal lerga ko himalaya matonda wakhan sum ning the lining torga samdana joro joro singaga kaidoba mang doi da ahaw haw bu mayam pudur tar hoiba mantra phanam solaso wakhan gakdaneba chumbra adi tadi aine pamuyo photo phange haiba targadi thabak darkar hoiba chumbra ne nupa macha amna nupi macha ama sum khanja lergadi Kaimbana kainom hona dradi the piduna khang jadrane action is very, very important chumbrane ne action yaw dradi thabak khudi ma am to oiru yaba chumbro lambro asai gold medal phange wakan khallaga chu like suma padragadi oiru da chumbrane so action is very, very important karam the actions practical thoughts chana ba yaba wakalon du de ba kar ore toise okay. So here I will take the one chance to tell us that how America becomes one of the superpower country in a very short span of times. As far as the historical point of view, which civilization is older between Europe and America? But as compared to the development which has happened in the America, which one is more progress? America. Why it's so? In a very short span of time, America was, I also told you before, America was dense forest where wild beasts, so many wild beasts were there, and Queen Elizabeth orders, because there is a political crisis in the Europe, so many crises are coming. Why we have a political crisis? Why political system they am langi sikarigino. So many factors are there. Why political science lo kamu sing kangani. Ko political crisis rasanti ke sarang boleh isi kaino kan sien tum ge awa boleh ambiye. ko lainaba lam leram da baya mi singi hingnabu honaba ganja chinja nungja so many scarcities awat pana big than ba dum matam there will be political crisis. There was a big political crisis in Europe. Why many people in Europe their culture is nothing but to have gentleman dresses, and they have to sit on a portable sofa, and they have to drink, and they have to talk very nice stories, and they have to spend time by seeing the televisions, and they have to construct the nice houses and offices and roads, and they are very free. They are very far away from the mud and the dust. Very luxurious lives, and they spend times for dance, and they spend much more money for festival and entertainments, and therefore they forget the cultivations, and so. And there was a big crisis in Europe in terms of the mentally land scarcity, mentally economic crisis, mentally food scarcities. Mayam do adumai nana leirabanina subi naba mi leitrabanina low ubinaba mosa tanana mi leisalaktre moi culture to masana ba lon chat kareba. Gentleman dress shelaga kaduba glass thangatana cinema yengana ball dance song leithoki dagi kaidore leibak tu gi chana tharnaba amata leisalaktabareba lam leisalaktabane mi di population wangkalamina population hengalese kaino higher kanda yam luxurious metro city sings is the population hengalese kaino thabak suda bagine thabak suda ri potha leigadabane ko thabak suda bagine entertain tawramina lohong koyong gi changsham wangneba adu iduna population explosion thoye Europe political crisis tole ko national crisis or pakadadi Queen Elizabeth order torpore India se apina khun bani moi digi pucha chana thonu mu am lo ron tharakoni nadra kannano Columbus aduna India da yobagi mohta instead of reaching to the India kai sakre America yobokre moi red Indian in hare. So during those times if you exist your life in the Europe, or if you exist in life in the jungle where a lot of wild beasts like adu mama from the na hingena kalonang kay daw dagyo nga kari khadagyo na khal ngai da numita han gitar ni samyam no segar jagita wakhan kan ba yadi thabak ne na maru oine. As soon as possible, you have to learn how to climb the trees. Chumra, as soon as possible, you have to construct some weapons so that you can kill the animals who attack you in order to save your life. Chumra, wakan kan laya podeva. Europe tadi wakan kan mai wari ngakteneva. Moi wari thabak suda batan ba atu mi ngakteneva. Chumra ne ujik se am thawam so am suna tar mani burisu. Ko kari dagi ngisai media me am lak padagi ko adiga sunaba lam sulaitaba lam leisalaktabanina chumbrane hingol ayam leinaramoi kitchen garden kya tongnaramoi lam leisalaktabine mi hengalabagi chubra adi tardi pedok tare. If you exist your life in the USA, awat pangaktan necessity is the mother of invention natra adi tari awat pangaktan ay from the wakan khandana matam lenba sei saktanal matam lenba ya matam natie. Action is always necessary in order to fulfill all our requirement. As I told you that we need what? Actions. In order to do the actions, one action, two actions, and we need more repeated actions, more practice, and then more efficiency of actions will be there. Natrane aduna action yam tora yam tabak sisum tora kan dadi last yam hero oidro isa. This is what because of the practice. So practice is the foundation of the knowledge, and therefore the title itself, pragmatism, that was derived from the practice. Pragmatism I always say practice of line. So belief on actions, belief on practice is what we call school of pragmatism. One of the schools of philosophy to never call la ipoche. Adimatik darkar oi have, and then me kudi maksing se wakan am the kandi American sing se huji phawda moi thabak han tau gani wakhan kon khan gane masi gi thabak se kana dabra on khalak kane adu moi award po mayam sing yam thuna mention le yum leram daba building leram daba digi road leram daba kitchen leram daba whole Europe da phangi ba machak mayam sing do sembat na ba hona ba kamda kedore moi wari sadra senwa yeng bai matam leite they are very laborious they are very adventurous chumra how the Japan becomes one of the superpower country after the 2 atom bombs drop in Hiroshima and Nagasaki undoi tour rabani Japan ai bilam se adu kamai to yam thun sakhal ino they are very laborious leiram do mayam sing amu leikhat na hon rak toini na ta tar di mayam degi makha pon mi kha pol hing toini chumra adu tar akoi bonus hai bi wakhalo da la aga adu mai toroga Japan se yam thun sagal ki bane so in Japan also their system education is vocational based education ko aduna moisu thabak taw bud thaja bilip taw system samaj amane like America also chumra therefore kedore hosi paw moi potha ba haitri adu iduna kedore they are the leading country one of the superpower country ko adu iduna moisi kwai ina khun balam sing marta amu oiri bode America na kibo kanam leiti nadra na chumi ko the intuition theories, this will be the last. At one extremes, intuition refer to the mysterious, immediate inner source of knowledge, apart from both perceptual observation and reasoning. Perceptual observation and reasonings. Intuition is the ability to acquire knowledge without proofs. Ahan sing se larit pa adra sun loin khang bane. Ngasi nong tani taroi si moi khang eba. moi ki theory khara leiba ko asigi mi si farkani faroi si am line khang hai banga me maram di experience ne they have a lot of experience and knowledge ko mi ngonda ma no lupa ko matam sana agar pa matam sana cha ising cha ba iru jamai tha jaba laitin phajana khoiram iba ko mai mathau kaw draba adum mi judi adum phani ne hai ba nong ne ba angang amani youth amana di hai mi do funny experience never got. So, without proofs and evidence and consciousness reasons, or without understanding how the knowledge are acquired. Knowledge guri mag sing se loi na practice na phangada bani haiba leite intuition na hari sing achumba amasung aran bai basel verify tawdraga su manaba mamanga thinagi ba oitar di kedore ekoi na bhamna sarga masi chungani da masi phagani da masi nu mi se yam thawai yawida ko honaba yam kalida haiba di adum ayam bana chungal le haba adu proof leita badi nate ko proof leibadu na di hena phadoini because we cannot live without judgmental knowledge everywhere ekoi judgmental knowledge yam darkar oi adu iduna ni ekoi na nahan ekoi na critical method of philosophy ekoi discuss tawri se ko aduna at the end of the every lessons so many type of the questions are there so this question is nothing but in order to improve judgmental knowledge we have we have to learn the knowledge we have to help our students in order to learn the knowledge in terms of the knowledge understanding application and skills okay so application and skills these two knowledge will be learned only through the judgmental skills and afabata kanaba khandaba gi gyan leitaba mi dunadi application amasung skill se equate to sungam moeba aduna application skill se ekoi angang sing the knowledge pi ba targadi angang sing do afabata gi wakan soidar lakane only cognitive domain khaktang ekoi na knowledge pi bana maram organ gi angang gai se khandaba gi chang ko copy to gi chang yang wang ni se commit the khanabada adi kenom sign to na bada adum khangai moise isam the class is the objective types exam ayam sing se objective types 20 maya loi yawe question 1 ge answer kya no hang bukan si ne se lon na tabida ko kya me am moi communication skills se wang ge se ko adu da moi the lai ba knowledge se karino explicit knowledge la tacit knowledge la aduna moi masana generate of knowledge na teba chem pha atne ba khodi em thim loi kaw du ne and we need to exist our lives successfully in this modern world through only judgmental knowledge and the critical method se barabar koi season of darkar oi adu targadi aikoi se awabadi thenagani ko dosa de dam tagani tabudu dosa tabagi awaba tabagi changbudi yam thina handagani we need the knowledge of judgmental knowledge ko adu dunani judgmental knowledge dunani mari yana ba apa pata puthongam dabado high court yam laina court ki level da chatla kan yam lai laina puthori se police na panam charge tawraga su som the verification tortoni judgmental knowledge na matam du da ma chi chumi lali haiba so ta 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 puthori se ne aduna we need to use always the skills of judgmental knowledge sina ba darkar oiba but intuition ki dagi su knowledge de acquire tortabadi nati tur puthortabadi nati adugi wari ni da so with this let me hope